How are
Good
you?
morning, Victoria. Don't you think the weather's been really topsy-turvy over these last few weeks?
Yes.
You know, we haven't really had proper winter weather as such. Well, we're not alone. I'm going to take you around the Mediterranean. First of all, if we start in Madrid, temperature yesterday in Madrid was 9 Celsius. The average at this stage in February is 12, and it's all to do with the jet stream. The reason we've had fairly clement conditions of late is because of the jet stream. It's been throwing all the low pressures across the Mediterranean, and you can see roughly the undulations here. So the blue representing the colder air, but we've got the milder or warmer conditions. Wait till you see the temperature yesterday in Crete. There you go, 28 Celsius. Should normally be about 16 at this stage in February. Lovely. Not just Crete, Cyprus as well. Parts of the Balkans have seen very similar values. Very nice if you're thinking of a late holiday. Of course, it's half term. Somebody might actually be there.
Somebody's there, 82 degrees, very nice.
Very good.
Yeah,
Do you know what 16 is as well? It's
no, go on.
61.
Is it?
In the same
Oh, fine,
premise.
okay, I'll remember that now. Yep.
Well, you can see too. So in our country, we've had a lot of mild air. Of late, it has been pretty chilly. Yesterday morning was pretty chilly, but today, nowhere near as chilly. And again, you can see the undulations of the jet stream. So all this blue air is pumping our way. But as we head into the weekend, if I stand right back, you can see that we've got more mild air coming our way. So the topsy-turvy theme continues. Now, for some of us, it was a beautiful start to the day. We had lovely sunrises like this across parts of central and southeastern England. If you were up early, I know we had this conversation yesterday.
Cardiff Simon sent a picture yesterday.
Yeah, he's
a superb photographer.
You have got a fabulous memory, I must say. But in Clackmannanshire, it was different. We had some snow, and this morning when I got to work, there was lying snow in Northern Ireland and also Scotland. And it's a whole band of rain, sleet and snow that's moving southwards. So if you like snow at lower levels, you might be lucky, but it is a very big might tomorrow morning. So let's take a look at the reason why. We've got a weather front, and that weather front is going to continue to push steadily southeastwards. That's what's been bringing us all that rain, sleet and snow through the course of the night. Now, as it continues its descent, it will brighten up behind it. But we have seen quite a bit of rain around this morning. So if you are travelling, do bear that in mind. There'll be a lot of surface water and spray on the roads and the snow across Northern Ireland. We've had it in the Highlands, the Grampians, Central Lowlands and also the Southern Uplands this morning. Any snow left across the Pennines will be above about 300 metres or so. Now, through the course of the day, that all sinks southwards. Some of it will be heavy, and we could see a wintry flavour across Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, Nottinghamshire and Derbyshire as we go through the afternoon. Most of the snow in the hills, but at lower levels we could see some sleet. For Northern Ireland, after a wet start and a white one as well for some, it's a beautiful afternoon. There'll be bright spells or sunny spells and just a few showers left, but they'll be of rain. Across Scotland, it's a similar scenario, but the showers will be wintry with height, but it will feel cold. In Edinburgh, for example, this afternoon, the maximum temperature is only 4. Across northern England, brightening up as we see our rain, sleet and snow continue to push down across the Midlands, edging in through Cambridgeshire, although for the far southeast of England, we hang on to the brightest skies for the longest. But then we've got through the Midlands, again, down towards the Isle of Wight, heading in the direction of Somerset and Dorset, and also parts of Devon. We've got that rain clearing up from Cornwall, and the rain continuing to pull away from Wales, moving eastwards. Now, as we go through the evening and overnight period, of course, the temperature is going to drop. So as this system continues to move southwards and eastwards, it will mostly be rain, and that's what most of us will see. But there will be some snow in it, largely on the hills. We could see some wet snow in some places first thing in the morning, lying at lower levels. And the other scenario is that if we do have some heavier bursts, more of us could see some snow. But we think the first scenario, that fewer of us will see it, is more likely. Now, behind that, clear skies, widespread frost, the risk of ice, of course, where it has been wet, and still those wintry showers continue in the north and the west. So as we head through the course of tomorrow, slowly that band of rain, sleet and snow moves away. The snow and sleet in it becoming less of an issue as temperatures rise. And then it's going to be a much sunnier day tomorrow than today for the bulk of the UK. Still some wintry showers peppering northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here that mixture is rain, sleet and snow, but tomorrow we've also got the risk of some thunder and also some hail. But it turns a bit milder this weekend.